Welcome to my channel. Good morning.
Good morning, Mom.
What's for breakfast today?
We are having toast and eggs. Can you bring me the tomatoes?
Sure, here you go.
Can I help you cook?
Of course, wash the vegetables first. Be careful with the knife.
I will, Mom. Can we make pancakes today?
Yes, let's make some together. Pass me the sugar, please.
Okay, here it is.
Do you want milk or juice?
I will have juice today. This smells so good.
Thank you, sweetie. Don't touch the stove, it's hot.
Okay, I will be careful.
Can you stir the soup?
Yes, I am doing it. When will lunch be ready?
In 15 minutes. Bring the onions from the shelf.
Got them.
I love your cooking.
That makes me happy. Set the table, please.
Sure, I will do it now. Do we have any snacks?
Check the cabinet. Boil some rice, please.
How much should I take?
Wash your hands first.
Ops, I forget. I want to bake cookies.
Great idea. Let's do it. Use the wooden spoon.
Got it.
Please clean the table.
I am on it. Is the curry spicy?
Just a little. Don't spill the water.
Sorry, I will be careful. Can I taste it?
Just a little bite. The rice is overcooked.
Oops. My mistake.
Peel the potatoes, please.
Okay, how many? Can we make biryani?
Maybe this weekend. Keep the plates ready?
All done.
Don't wash food?
Yes, Mom. Let's eat together.
Sure, bring your plate. How's the taste?
It's delicious.
Mix the salad well.
I am mixing it. Where is the oil?
In the bottom shelf. We are out of eggs.
I will buy some later. I like cooking with you.
Me too. Bring a glass of water.
Here you go. Can I make tea today?
Yes, be careful with hot water. Let's clean up after cooking.
I will help you. I am learning so much.
That's wonderful. Take the garbage out.
Sure, after dinner. Where's the flour?
In the jar on the shelf. The milk is boiling.
I will turn it off.
Bring the rolling pin.
Got it.
We are making rotis now.
I want to try.
Roll as slowly.
Is this okay? I spilled some water.
No problem, wipe it up. Let's make something new today.
Like what?
Maybe pasta?
Yay! I love pasta.
Cooking is fun with you.
Same here.
Let's eat and relax.
Best part of the day.